Wait. My onion uttapam is cooked in one side. Now I'm gonna flip it. Yay! Push it for the onion. It can stick good. My onion uttapam is ready. Now I'm gonna flip it. See it? The taste is kind of low, so I'm gonna add some onions, pour some batter, and add some onions. It's crunchy, it's good for taste, and the pudi.
Sprinkle and add some oil. Add some oil.
Now I flip the pudi uttapam. And we wait. My baby brother is crying. Wow! It smells very nice. Now I'm gonna flip it. It looks delicious. Next, I make cheese uttapam. All kids like this. Cheese uttapam. There we go. Pour some batter. Put some cheese. This uttapam is not for flipping. Before we close this lid. My cheese uttapam is ready. It looks like a pizza. Now it's ready. Flip it. Woo. Woo. Off the stove. Next I'm gonna taste 4 types of dosa. I'm gonna taste now. Wow, it looks colorful. I'm gonna taste the carrot uttapam with egg curry. It tastes good. Next, the onion uttapam with coconut
Chutney.